Glad to see stricter COVID-19 mitigation measures laid out by the governor.
And this as the county continues to battle what they are calling a public health crisis. WGEM's Blake Salmon has more from Lee County. Blake.
And McKenzie officials here at the Lee County Health Department say while they wish the governor had mandated masks across the state yesterday, they say they support the new stricter measures and say it's a step in the right direction.
We're in dire straits here. We really need to work together and turn this around.
Health department officials say requiring masks inside spaces open to the public and restricting gathering sizes will help lower the county's soaring positivity rate.
So we're almost at 22% today, and it's not going away anytime soon.
The health department even released a list of measures the community needs to take.
It's not much different than what we've been pushing out all along, but right now we're in a serious public health crisis.
A lot of people seem to think it's just a seasonal cold, and we see patients who just have a scratchy throat and a headache that are testing positive and spreading the disease before they even know that they have it.
Officials at Fort Madison Community Hospital say while they're struggling, they're holding stable.
We are at capacity for staffing and have been for quite some time, working on surge planning and contingency, crisis planning, not just as a hospital but as a health system and within the region.
Patient Safety Director Amanda Burgess says the burden on the system is also affecting non-COVID patients.
Trauma patients, stroke patients, chest pains, and having difficulty transferring patients out, bed availability, people at capacity.
She says the county needs to turn it around.
It's very critical currently that the communities take responsibility for themselves.
So if it means not gathering in large groups of people, if it means wearing face coverings, if it means social distancing, we need to do that because the time is now.
Ross says there is still time for the county to turn it around. She says if community members do everything they need to do, the virus could be under control in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. Blake Salmon, WGEM News, Fort Madison.